faster now.
I know what you wear.
What package? What? My Lego pack, I think.
I'm gonna jump up here quick. Just lie down for a second.
¿Quieres baño?
I got that. I know where it is.
With the Xbox. Bring us that oil. You want to like make a crazy thing?
Yeah, power.
Yeah.
Oh,
Go, go, go. That's quick. Oh my God. Get out of the way.
come. Maybe not.
Wow.
Well, that used to be my little space to go to. Oh, Brand, you turning cars every day? Oh, Lord. Let me crash real quick. Good with that battery. It was a power.
Drop kick to the curb.
How does it feel?
I like it. Huh? I like it. What, that was 75%. 75% throttle. We're gonna go a little bit up.
Oh, that's how you calmed it down. You turn the throttle curve down.
Yeah, I turned it down. That's how I. Okay, here we go back to where Pete had it originally. 100%.
Back to 100%
Back
throttle.
to 100%. Oh my God!
He's upside down already.
Guys, we're gonna try to make 2 laps on 100% throttle.
If I recall, you're the one that painted that orange thing, huh?
Hold on, we can accomplish this.
Oh my God. Under the table. Come on, Moen, get on it.
Watch that orange thing.
Earthquake again. Anybody feel that earthquake?
Are you recording the Marshall?
Anybody feel that earthquake? Man, it's really shaking. I can't even hold the camera steady. Oh God. Get on it, Juan. I want to see you up on 2 wheels. No, on the side. On the straightaway, he had it up on the bicycle. Oh boy. He's trying to land up on the shelf. He almost made it to the other jump. Coming off the vert and trying to land over the second jump. See if we can make it this time, Juan. Not quite.
There's 2 bricks right here. Okay? Did I smack them?
I don't think that jump is part of the track, Juan. You trying to do style jumping points there? He's trying to hit the extra jump. Do over. He's trying to hit that extra jump that's not on the track. I don't want him landing on you with that thing, Justin. It's not a 22 buggy. Oh boy. Got him going again. That's a kitchen setup truck.
It wasn't even on the, like I was on the brakes and it wasn't even touching the door.